Hello. I've got a lovely little song to share with you today, all about teeny tiny green little peas. Just like the peas Zeg grew in the spring pea foodie tale. It goes like this. 1 pea, 2 peas, 3 little peas, 4 peas, 5 peas, 6 little peas, 7 peas, 8 peas, 9 little peas, 10 little green peas. Do you want to try it with me? Are you ready? Hold up your hands. 1 pea, 2 pea, 3 little peas, 4 peas, 5 peas, 6 little peas, 7 peas, 8 peas, 9 little peas, 10 little green peas. Do you know what I've also got here? I've got a bowl of steamed and cooled green little peas. Let's see if I can count them out onto my plate. I might have to sing it a bit slower this time. 1 pea, 2 peas, 3 little peas, 4 peas, 5 peas, 6 little peas, 7 peas, 8 peas, 9 little peas. Whoops. 10 little green peas. Oh, look at that, all in a big circle. Do you know what I'm going to do now? I'm going to squash them. I want to feel what they feel like when I squash them. I'm going to squash them with my thumb. But if you maybe feel a little bit nervous to touch them with your thumb, perhaps you want to squash them with the back of a fork, like this. Are you ready? This is the second part of the song. Here goes. Squash a pea, squash a pea, squash a little pea. Squash a pea, squash a pea, squash a little pea. Squash a pea, squash a pea, squash a little pea. 10 squashed little green peas. Oh, some of them jumped off the plate. Some of my peas were a little bit squishy and some were a little bit firm as well. Oh, I wonder if that's what they'd feel like when you ate them in your mouth. Do you know what else is a bit like a little green pea? I've got some green Play-Doh here. Look at it, that dark, rich green. We could maybe pretend these are peas as well. Look, I've got a giant, big, round pea, which is much bigger than the other ones. Or I could make a teeny tiny little pea. Let's see. 1 pea, 2 peas, 3 little peas. Whoop. 4 peas, 5 peas, 6 little peas, 7 peas, 8 peas, 9 little peas. Let's move my giant one. 10 little green peas, little green Play-Doh peas. Are you ready to squash it with your thumb? Squash a pea, squash a pea, squash a little pea, squash a pea, squash a pea, squash a little pea, squash a pea, squash a pea, squash a little pea, 10 squashed little peas. That was a bit sticky, the Play-Doh, but still kind of similar how I could squash them down like the green sweet peas that I had here. I hope you can give this a little bit of a try with some real peas or perhaps some Play-Doh peas. Singing the song, squashing them with your thumb or with a fork too. I'll see you next time.